too late. I can't forget you.
Alright, we're rolling. What is up, YouTube? That probably help to actually stand in front of the camera. That's what I'm saying. That's. Can you see me perfect? No. Okay. What is up? Today we're going to be lubing up the lifters, right? Yep. Okay. Lubing up the lifters. We're going to install them, and then the push rods, and then the roll rockers. Which I still got to upload that video, so you might see that video before this one, and then this one's coming right up afterwards. So. And also we're going to show you how to adjust the rockers all in one video. And rods as well, which is pretty cool. It's all in one. Oh, okay. So I'm going to point you down real quick. Oh yeah. You gotta lube it before you stick it. Can't say you gotta lick it before you stick it, because that'd be oily as shit. I think it's all lubed up pretty good. He's already done one already. Now with new lifters, it does not matter where they go, because they're all brand new. Now if you ever pull the cam out, but you always want to make sure you keep them, the mated surface goes together. So the lifters come out like that? Okay. Yep. Well, because the lobe's up. Oh, I got it. Oh, okay. I thought that was oily. Nope. Make sure you want to get the bottom of it really good too. Mm-hmm. Gotta get the shot. Money shot. Oh, you're figuring that hole. Yeah. Got one more lifter to put in. Yeah, Alex out of these where I was buying the paint stuff. It was so funny. He goes, "Oh, man, block paint, huh?" Yeah. Alex. What's O'Reilly's? Yeah, I know. Is that the poser? No. Okay. Oh, the other guy. Yeah, the other guy. This is a really nice guy. Well, actually, they're all nice there, so. Yeah. And push rods will go in. I'm just gonna do forward, and he's gonna do the rest. I'm just gonna. Oops. I kind of like lubing them around, put them in circles a little bit. Then, now you guys can see, okay? What I like to do, try to put a lot of lube around this. Man, these push rods are nice and heavy duty. Oh yeah, did you see the open box video on those? Yep. On the high performance push rods? I'm pretty sure, yeah. Good for 1,000 horsepower. You know that kind of car I like to really have though? Corvette. No. Nissan GTR. I Godzilla. Because with those engines, you can actually push almost around 2,000 horse or more. And you got a Chevy Corvette coming up beside you with your ass. If it can keep up to a 6-second car. I was watching the 1320 videos. This guy was so happy. He broke the record for the Nissan GTR with the original motors in it. Ran a 6.8 or a 6.7. Well, by the time he was going to do the last run with the other guy, he could run at a 6. He did something to his motor or something like that. No, the thing is, you gotta, what people don't tell you, it could be 1/8, quarter mile,
True.
So what's he running?
I think he's running either the 1/4 or the 1/8 because it's a pretty long track.
That'd be quarter mile. Quarter mile is a long track.
It's about, it could be a 1/4 mile or it could be like the
8th mile.
8th mile. One.
There's
Yeah.
a lot of people with their around here now. It's all 8. I don't
Yeah.
know why. But
And the guy that he was racing ran a 6.717. He beat his record. So now he holds the record. And the guy was not upset, but I don't know what happened, but his motor is like, he got halfway and it quit. And this car only did like, it ran like an 8. I'm like, oh dang. I always like watching the 1320 videos. They're all interesting to watch.
hey, right after me, go ahead and put the rockers on.
Addison.
Someday you be doing this, Addison. Uh-huh. How you be beating boys?
My car's faster.
And here's the roller rockers right here. Nice and brand new.
I'm thinking about turning my Nova into kind of like a roaster type deal. It'd be awesome, wouldn't it?
Yeah. That's awesome.
No way they can see me taking the right out of the bag. Oh, wrong spot. Oh man, no, I had it right. Oh. You know you want to make sure you don't put them on backwards. I almost did. I'm like, wait a minute, this doesn't look right. I'm like, oh, got it backwards. Hey Addison, stop being a suck up.
I might have to flash up with my Nova when I put my engine together.
That's what she does. That's what exactly what she would do.
What's that?
She tried to butter you up because she knows she wants to go to the park or she wants something.
We'll go to the park later.
And she's always like, I like your rockers, or she goes, I like your pants, I like your phone. I'm like, Addison, quit being a suck up. You're gonna get what you want, just don't have to suck it up, or butter me up is what she's trying to do.
The reason we went with roll rockers because it's easier on your valve train. And that's what's on my big block, because that's what Dad got it when he got it in '89.
And now my 350 has it.
Fucking thing scared the fuck out of me. Seriously, I went down the alley a little bit, just gave it some gas, and fucking truck twist sideways a little bit. I'm like, holy shit.
It's got more power now.
A lot more.
All you did is, well, since you rebuilt it, fix it back up, it runs a lot better.
A lot better.
This is 7 for what?
We're gonna do something a little different here, Nick. We gotta put our glove back on. Don't touch it. Okay?
Don't touch it.
No, not yet. Not those. We gotta put these in.
Oh, I was fixing it.
Oh, okay, because we don't need the nuts yet.
Oh.
Not yet. So you want to put these in first? Okay. I'll go ahead and loop it up.
Now, which way does it go down? Like this?
No, okay.
The
He
bubble?
asked a very, very good question. Which way do these go down? Does it go up like that? Or do they go like that?
I'm thinking they go like this.
Yeah. They
The
always,
bevel end goes down. And
yeah, the bevel always goes down.
So I'm gonna say it's just like a bicycle.
Uh-huh. I have to give you some more lube.
He has a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, I like super tone.
I was watching just a 6 video. I'm sorry,
I kind of lost interest in him.
I'm losing interest in him, but some of the stuff he does, I really don't agree with him. But no, he's trying to do what he can to make the views and stuff. But
Content stuff, yeah.
yeah, content, yeah. But I mean, he raced his truck on the street, right? And this he using nitrous on the street though.
He's gonna get caught.
And here's the funny part. He's racing a Ford Mustang. I can't forget what kind it was. It's just a normal, almost like his, 2018 or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
It has one of them superchargers on it that has that little whining pitch noise.
Mm-hmm.
All hopped up. I mean, he was smoking the car for a little bit, and at that car was creeping up. And he goes, I can't even do, what do you say, almost 120 miles an hour?
He said that in the video?
Yeah.
Dumbass.
Because his dress had to go kaboom.
No, it doesn't matter. You don't say shit without that.
No. I mean, you don't say that in the video because technically the police officers
Are
watching YouTube videos like that.
It was
Yeah.
all the way down the bottom.
And all it takes is him doing that, boom. Chris Speed talked about it.
Uh-huh. Another guy talked about it.
Yep. Family Cruising talked about it.
Well, she's gone.
Which now he's gone. He's off of YouTube now. All his channel's still there, but all his videos he's done are gone. For child endangerment and all this other stuff, doing drag races on the street.
Now, if you're out in the country and you got your buddies and stuff, that's fine. But you're actually doing it on the street,
highway,
on the street or something.
Yeah, the
See,
highway is the best part.
I was young and stupid. I did the same thing, but when my older brother caught me doing it, that was Kenny. Richard caught me too, but Kenny caught me first. He goes, "What if somebody's on that crosswalk and boom, you got him?"
Exactly.
I'm like, "Yeah, it wouldn't be my fault." He goes, "No, but you hit that kid. It's your fault."
Yep.
That made me think.
Because you're doing illegal things on the highway, and you're going that accelerated speed, it's gonna kill the person.
That's why we on. After Richard caught me.
Or especially like say like a little kid fell in the street.
Right. Then after
You don't have time to stop.
Okay, now you can put the nuts on. And then I got caught. Richard's like, "It's time to go to the drag strip." I had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
The thing is, I never blew up anything on the car, but on my truck I did.
Oh, I remember that when you put the transmission up.
Pieces went everywhere, right in the ground. Boom!
I can remember Richard. I told him.
Oh, wrong way. Wrong that right. The bevel end on this one goes up.
Oh. I was in well.
Hey, it's cool. And it's all learning. But what's really cool, right where we're at, but the engine was painted this way. This is the same spot where me and Dad put my V8 together.
Yep, I remember that too.
I had a lot of fun.
Even though I was mostly in the house playing my video game, but
I was 16 when we put one together. Because I went out and bought one. I didn't have a car yet, but I went and bought a V8. Couldn't pass up the deal for 25 bucks. That was a good deal back then. Now they're like 150 bucks. Sometimes you can pick them up for $50 back in the late 90s and stuff. But today, they're going for 150 bucks too. Hell, I seen a Chevy 350 right now for $350.
I got this one a hell of a deal. I only paid 150 bucks off the fleet. All I did is, yeah, it came with the water pump and everything else too. Which I'm not going to reuse because I got a new one on my Suburban. Which has got a lifetime guarantee on it. Go ahead.
I want to do fidget spinner.
Huh?
I want to do fidget spinner.
You don't want none of those dumb things. Those things are stupid. Oh, fidget spinners.
Fidget spinners?
Addison has one, but I don't like it.
I like it.
You're still a kid.
I like this size of too.
You know what's kind of funny though? When you try to help someone out with your knowledge, you're like, why are they picking on me? Stuff like that, right? It's sad.
Because we're filled with knowledge and not trying to be
I'm not trying to be a smart butt, but I'm just saying like, hey, you know, we learn from our mistakes and we're passing down to whoever else, and a lot of people don't like it.
Yeah, my brother's got me hooked on TikTok. And just what's really sad, I get more views on TikTok than I do get on YouTube.
Yeah, so do I. You know, I just did a video last night of the tractor burnout a little bit. Even though it's only a short kind of video, I'm almost up to, I don't know where I'm at right now. Last night when I checked it, I was at 66 views. I'm like, wow. Are you serious? When my other videos, they get like 100 plus. I'm like,
No.
what's my YouTube channel like that?
What I'm doing, you can still spin them. I'm not tightening them down yet. Just getting out the figure a little bit.
Let me hear it play. Okay? Over here, I'm gonna wear you in here.
Well, I remember she had us since 5.
She's over here messing with stuff.
No, I mean, I'm trying to think how old I was. It was 89. I was 7. One day I got the big block put in the truck, and he was changing the rockers on it. And I remember, like, what are you doing, Pop? And he said, see that stool over there? I'm like, yeah, we'll sit on it and watch me. Okay.
That's Dad.
Seeing Dad work on stuff, kind of gotta. He showed us the ropes too. I wish he was still here.
So do I.
So you actually hear
this thing run.
my father's part of this build too.
Oh yeah, like I was saying about the YouTuber I was watching, talk about his computer and stuff. He's playing spin tires. He goes, you know what? He goes, I actually like driving. He was driving an '89 Chevy Suburban on Mud Runner. And I found the vehicle too on spin tires Mud Runner. So I downloaded it too as well. So I had kind of a little fun. And he goes, I want to hear your guys'. He goes, you always. I'm like, all my subscribers always tell a story on the vehicle, like, hey, my parents used to have one of them, or they have one. Because I want to hear you guys' story if you ever own a Suburban, and how did you guys get started? I'm like, all right, cool. And it has a tailgate.
Oh yeah, we have a tailgate.
And I said, like, I was talking about mine, what I did, what we did with it. I was like, it's my daily driver. And that's like how it started is my mom had one, but hers had tailgate, and here I am driving her favorite Suburban with cargo doors.
We grew up with 4-body Chevy.
But here's the funny part though. The passenger side back seat, me and my brother always fight over it.
Yeah.
Because it's the smaller seat, but it's always more funner to sit in it. And here me and my brother always fight over it. That's always so funny. I still remember that. Good times though, man. Mom be driving down the road. Guys, quit bricking back there. Or quit fighting, one or two.
Oh, I got a real funny thing to tell you guys. Nick was getting lippy with my mom. You know, back in the day, parents were parents. They didn't put up with your shit.
Exactly.
But Nick was doing something. Mom was driving 55, okay? 55 mile an hour. And he was getting lippy, and then she had this long eye scraper thing, and she's trying to reach behind the seat while she's trying to get Nick. Nick jumps over the second seat and goes, "Ha, you can't get me." What Mom do? She slammed on the brakes at 55 mile an hour, and all of a sudden I see my brother, whoom, over the seat, feet up.
And Mom was laughing her butt off too. She said, I got you now. Of course, back then you didn't have to wear a seatbelt. Now
Right.
you do.
Yeah. In the back seat, you don't have to wear a seatbelt.
No.
Oh.
Technically, you do. Yeah.
If you're under age.
I think if you're under 18, you have to wear a seatbelt. I think that's the law. I have to really look it up. Because Ohio is always changing these stupid rules around. You can't have your exhaust too loud, or you get a ticket.
I don't have to worry about that shit.
No. But we have tree bumps. I mean, like, say you have like straight pipe all the way,
Yeah.
you get a ticket. But how's that fair to, if you make a hot rod, you don't need no. So you can have slide pipes right there. That's
Because
it.
it's classified as an old car, because old cars didn't have the pipes. That's why I want to, like, see, I want to get an old car.
So do I. One 32 Ford Coupes or something
Yeah.
like that. Put a Chevy V8, side pipes out of it, make a 383 stroker. Oh, now we're talking.
See, Dad had a 29 Dodge, and he was going to convert everything over to modern chassis and everything else. But back then, you know, money was kind of hard to come by. So Dad went to the Navy, parked the car. And after he came back from the Navy, Grandpa restored the car.
Dad was upset.
Dad goes, "That's not what I had plans." Dad was smart what he did. He had blueprints and what he was going to do. He's going to put like a 57 Chevy rear end in the front, or in the back of it, and some modern suspension, coil springs up front, off of 50. All of it from like a 57 Chevy, all on the car.
That gets back, and hair's all put back together, and turns out Grandpa put it in his name, or the store's name, or something. Trailer Park's name. Yeah, Trailer Park's name.
Yeah.
So Dad was kind of upset about that, because Grandpa put a fast one on Dad.
Well, he thought he'd restore the car and stuff.
Yeah.
So that's what's about.
But here, Grandpa kept the car, though.
Yeah.
And here Dad paid for it. Did Dad say he paid for it? Like, what was it? Was it $150 or something like that?
Yeah. Pretty cheap. I'm gonna turn on the radio a little bit. Okay, now I need to find that big. Here we go. So now when you get ready to adjust them, they're close enough. You can still spin them. I need to tighten it up a little bit. You wanna hold that? So now I gotta go through here and just lightly, right there, until it stops. Till they got a little bit of friction. That one's loose.
Kind of sucked that the Hellmach balancer I ordered was the wrong one. Oh yeah, he has the right one, but he don't have it listed. That's why I couldn't find it. That's why when I saw that one for a 350 small block, I went and bought it. Didn't look at the description. Which, if I looked at the description, it would have saved me 56 bucks. So now I gotta figure out how much it's gonna take to send it back to the guy, get my money back, and then turn around and order the correct one. And the correct one, $64. But I thought about just sending it back and money back on it, and then order from somebody or something. Whoever's got it a little bit cheaper.
You wanna hold that?
Yep. That's the thing, it sucks.
Okay, now what we're gonna do is gonna do a 90 degree 4 times.
Give me a quarter turn.
No, 90 degrees. Right there. Okay, hang on, I need to tighten up the fold a little bit. Okay, now. Okay, right there. And you go find which one's loose. There's loose. That one's loose. I'll hold that again. Okay. Oh, loose again. Now don't push down. You let it off.
That's what I'm going.
Okay. Okay, still go. Okay. Oh, oh. No, let go. Let go.
Oh.
There you go. Okay. One more. More. Oh, right there. Just a tiny, tiny bit. Go from 12 to 3 should be good. Oh, that's good. Yep. And this one here is loose.
That
That
was
was really loose.
Okay, let's check it out. Oh, good. Okay. Okay. And that was 2 revolutions. Okay. Come over there. It's loose. And all you're doing is setting them to 0 lash. One more. Maybe just a tiny.
So it's all clocked down.
Oh, right there. That's too tight. Let's back up just. That's good.
It's supposed to be like this.
They're all gonna be like that, see?
Oh.
Because right now, see how this one's down all the way? It's gonna move.
Oh, okay, I got you. And that's what makes that clacking noise.
Yeah, when it's running, it'll start clacking. But when it's, because it's loose. I'm just gonna go spin. I'll spin a couple of revolutions, make sure. Okay. You want to make sure it goes from 12 to 3. I'll spin a couple of revolutions and I think we got it.
Back for the pressure right out of the exhaust. That's a lot too.
And what I'm doing, I'm setting them at 0 lash. Best part comes up. Because Dad, you did the same thing and I forgot this method.
Thanks for the ice.
I think we're good. So now, show you how to set it a little bit. You can leave it like that, it'd be fine. Give you a bit more performance. So what I'm gonna do, I go from 12 o'clock to 3. Did I do this one? Okay. It's the same way I did my big block Chevy and it runs great.
Yeah. X did run. It runs great too.
I don't even know how many miles I got on it.
I don't know. That's funny.
I wrote down the mileage, but
I never really, when I switched out the speed odometer, I forgot to write down the mileage out of that old one and the new one.
that's fine. But when you put this new engine in, you want to write it down.
Yeah. Because right now, it was at 43,000 something. I just wrote over I just wrote it over 44,000. I think I put like 33, 34 miles on her, maybe 36 miles on top of the 43,000. So.
And it's that.
There's a no, I'm sorry, 44,000.
Now, some people, what they do, I'm gonna reverse it a little bit. They would actually I go up here. They go from 12 all the way to 9. Can I see that? Or not? No? Okay.
Now they can.
Okay, some people, they go from like 12 to all the way around until 9. And I would set it up that way. That's factory specs, but I'm in performance, so that's the way I have it set up. So now, I'll show you how to
That looks good.
set it up. So all you have to do is drop the distributor and run it. Somebody's got to stick the finger in. Now there's 2 ways you could do it. You can watch intake go all the way down and come back up. And it'd be right there. Okay. I want you to go ahead and stick your finger in there. I'm going to do 2 things at one time. The exhaust is going down. Right there. You feel it? You feel the exhaust pop out? Okay. So now, see how close we are to. Well, I need to go more because I don't think it.
I don't think it beats out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There it goes. Okay. So I want to do. We're not using this Hallmark bouncer, but we're getting it close. Moved a little bit. You don't have to put your finger in the hole. So now I'm going to set the Hallmark bouncer on it just for right now. So it's time. They're on money. We're on TDT. It's got STDs. Hot gut setter.
Well, this is it for this video, I guess.
Yep, now we're gonna go paint it and be done.
Yep.
Now, what we're gonna do, we're not gonna do it on camera, but my door, is it still playing? Since the engine's gonna be set for a while, you take the lube here, and it'll roll off to the side. That's what we're gonna do to each one. So stay tuned for when it gets to be put in the Suburban and run for the very first time. Can't wait.
Because next would be getting the Hallmark bouncer correctly, oil, transmission fluid, and that's it. Because everything else is on my Suburban.
Yeah. Alright,
Because I'm
guys.
using the intake, Albrock intake, carburetor off the other motor. It's going on this. Distributor is going on this because it's brand new still. And spark plugs are brand new still.
I would put new ones in it.
Well, they got a lifetime warranty, or almost like a.
Okay.
I don't know.
A
I
year
might.
warranty with them.
Yeah, so that's
But with the
still
brand
pretty
new
good.
engine, I'll put brand new everything. That way, everything's done.
Yep. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you guys and ladies enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.